Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be simplifying complex fractions for review for Math 1441. We'll start with the definition of a complex fraction. A complex fraction takes the form a over b over c over d. And this has two groupings of fractions, or two fractions, one over the other. We want to rewrite this as a over b, and this middle bar here indicates that we're dividing c over d, so we can rewrite this horizontally instead of vertically. And we know that when we divide fractions, we can instead multiply them by keep, switch, and flip. We keep the first, we switch the sign to a multiplication, and we flip c and d. So now we can rewrite this as a over b times d over c. And with this, we'll take a look at two examples. The first is if we have 7/3 over negative 9/4. We want to be able to simplify this, so let's rewrite it with our first step. We turn our vertical problem into a horizontal problem, making sure to bring the negative sign with us. And our second step is to keep, switch, flip. We can bring the negative sign to either number, just making sure to keep it out. Now we want to simplify by multiplying across the top and the bottom. We'll get negative 28 over 27. And that's as much as we can do. For our second example, if we have a minus 5 over a minus 10 over a squared minus 25 over a squared minus 100, how can we simplify this? Well, we know our first step is to rewrite this in the horizontal form. So we divide, keeping our form of the fractions. And then our second step is to keep, switch, and flip. Now from here, we want to factor these two polynomials. And we know that we'll have conjugate terms because this is a perfect square in the form of a squared minus a number squared. And we'll do the same for the denominator. We'll see that we have both an a minus 5 and a minus 10 on the top and the bottom. So we'll cancel out the a minus 5s, and we'll cancel out the a minus 10s. And we'll simply be left with a plus 10 over a plus 5. And that's about it for simplifying complex fractions. Thank you for watching.